Okay, so to make the tops and calculate the tops is more or less how you create the search for the new pins. So you need to go to downline. Okay, so then you need to put here whatever, like very deep, and placement. And then you need to go to columns. Take this stuff. You don't need these. Okay, the volumes. No, in fact, you need the month before, so you can see the tops is only if you sign up people with volume. So you need to take. So we are in December, so you calculate. You put the volume of November. Okay, and then you put the sponsor ID and sponsor name, so you know who are the sponsor. And I think that's enough. You don't need this. You don't need this. You need the country. You don't need the email. Reasonable date. So as less things you have, the better, because then you have space on the screen. So then, okay. So then I go to here to filters, and you need to start date on the first of the month before, on the 1st of November in this case. You put here so it shows in the video 1st of November, and then here you put 30 of November. 30 of November. Okay, so that's it. There's nothing more to do. You don't save options, because if not you change the whole configuration forever. So view organization. So you see it's more or less like the other. Okay, it's still calculating. So if you go here, see, so we have here, we have the name of the new distributor, the country where he was signed up, and then the distributor ID of the no, of the guy, and then the sponsor's name and the sponsor ID and the volume, and he has volume in November or not. See, this guy signed up with no volume, so it doesn't count. But now we need to copy all this stuff to an Excel file, like exactly the tops, and you need to do it one by one. So it's more people than the tops, because every month is about almost a thousand people, like for example last month. So if the business is going well, you need to, so then you need to paste. Takes a little bit, oops. So sometimes it is not formatted, so I need to do paste special HTML. See, already there. Okay. Oh man, sometimes it does, I don't know. Let's do text. Yes, text worked. Okay, so it's okay. I'm going to the end. It's exactly the same, right? Next page. And then you need to do it for our this month, right? Because well, I put already for the next page. And then paste special. Paste special. I'm gonna put this bigger. Okay, to the end. Copy this one again. Paste special text. So I believe this is enough, because I want you to do it yourself, so I'm not gonna do all the stuff. What I normally also do, I use the line. I don't take the number of the line, because now we are already on the 400, right? But here it doesn't say. So if you go to here the columns and you put the line number, you know how many are already done. So perhaps you leave the line number. Okay, so after you copy all them, you have this file here. You need to take out the lines that are not good. So, oh, this should be like here, right? Okay, and now we need to take. Oh, well, normally, yeah, like this. Oh, and this is, yeah. So now we need to select all the lines and order. So we are gonna order by sponsor ID. Okay, so I go to here, data, sort, and see. uh, So you need to be careful where it starts the sort. If I put my data has headers or not, he takes one or not. So sometimes you need to see which one works. Okay, and then sort by the column of the sponsor ID. So that's the F. Okay, and then that's it. Boom. So it's sorted. See, who is this guy? It's my father. So my father just signed up. So now you can see how many people each guy signed up, right? So for example, this guy only signed up one, this guy signed up one, this guy signed up one. So what I do is I just go here, and the country, be careful, because belongs to the people where to the new sign up, not to the sponsor. So sometimes the sponsor can be a different country, but no, you can know because the country more or less will be the place where the sponsor is, so you can have an idea where they are. So what I don't here the volume. We don't need this column, so I put in. This is going to give some work. We need to go through all the lines. So one, two. Here it doesn't matter. I delete it. One, 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 two, one, two, three, one. So to be faster, you don't need to put the guys that just sign up one person, because we're not gonna recognize if you just and be in the top just with one. So you don't need to go through all the guys. Okay. So delete two. In some countries, two is not gonna even appear in the top like in Portugal, but we'll just leave the two. So now you need to do two, two. So here we have three, four, two, two. Any line you can put the number, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. One, two, three, two. If it's a zero, you don't need to delete it, because it's gonna order sort by zero, so it's exactly it's empty. Two. Okay, and so on and so on and so on. So then after you put all the numbers, that's why it's a lot of work, because 1000 people, we did 88. You choose everyone, and now you're gonna sort by this column, by the number that you choose. So sort by G, right? G. Oh, G. See? So the top ones are the people that sign up more. See? So now you need to see which country they belong. Okay, all these